Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Toyota Sienna. Sounds smooth, so I'll go ahead and close up the hood. Those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate on my camera that makes them look like that. This one does have painted alloy wheels, power doors, power lift gate. It does seat 8 because of this little seat right here that can be inserted between those two captain's chairs in the second row. These two will fold down also. It has some very deep stowage right here. This is the SE model. You'll see that you also have additional power supplies back here. Go ahead and give you a shot of that VIN. All right, down here you'll see that it has 13,537 miles on this vehicle. And you'll have your push to talk, your infotainment, and your lane drift sensor. There's your ignition down there with your key fob. Okay, so right now it's at the home. I'm just turning that fan down a little bit so we don't have to compete with it volume-wise. Then you'll see right here that it does have heated seats in the front, additional power supply and USB and aux ports right there. Cup holders, additional cup holders here, stowage, additional stowage down here, and these cup holders are lighted. It's fairly difficult to see them out here in the outdoors, but I'll get some good pictures of them on the interior when I pull it in the shop. Okay, so here's our home right here. You'll see that it does have the disc as well. There's our menu. So you got audio, projection, setup, and your phone, so you can connect via Bluetooth. Okay, and then in order to see the backup camera, you put it in reverse. You'll have the backup guides right there. And here are your comfort controls, front and back. As you come up top, you're gonna have the power doors. You're also gonna have your conversation mirror right here. And then you can also bring that down and put your sunglasses in there if you want. So that about wraps it up for this Toyota on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the front passenger side as it did hit a parked vehicle. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.